Good morning, everybody. Regarding Republic Day celebrations, every student must be present and everyone must participate in all the competitions and try to win the prizes. And whatever the activity, skit or drama is being assigned by your teachers to you, participate in it and try to perform it in the best way. When you are getting an opportunity, use this opportunity and exhibit your talent. Every day, few students will be performing here, which you can see. Every student should give full effort, complete effort, so that the performance should be worth watching. Remember all of it.
We all know that we are celebrating a Republic Day week, so we are having various activities. Many children are also taking part in dance or skit or drama. All the students to take part in all the activities because school days never can get back. As we are teachers, are we getting our school days back again? No. So that is the reason. Take part in all the activities and try to give your best. Now I call upon Ahana of 10th class to deliver her speech on the occasion of Republic Day.
Good morning everyone, myself Ahana Fatima from class 10. Today I want to say about the Republic Day. In the year 1950, the Constitution came into effect, making India a republic. This day is celebrated every year with a great pride and joy. And on this day, schools, universities and other institutions celebrate it with a great pride. Constitution is a very important document because it gives us our rights as citizens of India. It tells us that no matter what our religion, race or language is, we are equal. This day reminds us of the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters and the vision of our leaders. This day we cannot forget in our life because as we salute our national flag, let us reaffirm our commitment to the values it represents. Let us pledge to be honest, responsible and compassionate citizens. Let us work with a renewed vigor to build an India that is strong, prosperous and inclusive. An India that truly embodies the dreams of our freedom fighters. Let the spirit of our republic guide us always. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। है वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन है वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन आबाद रहे तू। मेरे वतन मेरे वतन आबाद रहे तू। मेरे वतन आबाद रहे तू। वतन मेरे वतन है वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू। वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। है वतन मेरे वतन है वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है, पहचान तुझी से। तू ही मेरी मंजिल पहचान तुझी से। पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। मैं वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। मैं वतन मेरे वतन